Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present one of the applications from machine learning in the personalized marketing, specifically around personalized offer assignment. So there's 5 different agenda items. First, we will see how we evaluate the opportunity, and then we give out business understandings of the opportunity. Then we provide a high-level sketch of the solutions and also how we actually want to validate it. The last 2 parts is about the system design and the production risk assessment. So our target user is the retailers at different scales, and they all currently personalized marketing is actually a very popular topic in the retail industry, and it can be leveraged on all kinds of different retailers. The problem is like how to assign the proper marketing offers to consumers so that the customer feel like they did get a personalized experience instead of something like really cold and mechanic. So the personalized offer can boost the relationship and loyalty between consumer and retailers. This will make the promotion much more cost effective to drive financial outcome. The owner of the retailer will be benefiting from the personalized initiative, which enhance the stickiness of the consumers. The current status is mostly the mass offer, which doesn't differentiate between the consumers. And some retailers are more advanced. They are leveraging rule-based offer, but it is also relatively static compared with machine learning-based solution. So the expected outcome from the application of the machine learning is try to achieve a better offer response rate. And if the offer is designed properly, we'll get a corresponding lift in terms of the sales quantity, revenue, or margin. So the metrics we are concerned about, we already said that, is offer response rate, gross margin, product marketing share, and the category turnovers. The target is higher response rate, of course, and this will be relevant to the customer experience. The enhanced lift compared with the base scenario on the quantity, revenue, and profit, depending on the growth phase of the retailers, they could actually be concerning more about, say, marketing share at the very beginning, revenue during the growth period, and profit during the stabilized period. The constraint including the technology to deliver the offers and also how we actually track smartly the response from the consumers. We identify the following factors which may be potentially relevant and need to collect data purposefully to support the machine learning model creation. So, such as customer profile data. Of course, this will actually be the compliance of the privacy policies, such as in Europe it's GDPR. And also the customer shopping behavior is very important to understand their preference during the shopping. The customer shopping patterns analysis and the product hierarchy of the promotion SKUs, possible segmentations such as life stage, lifestyle, life stage such as whether they are children's with couples with kids, whether they are like retired people, lifestyle such as, for example, whether they are deal seekers or whether they are just like gourmets, we're seriously focusing into the good food. So the selling channel information, such as the stock characters, such as online, such as the app, is also very important to understand the customer behavior. The offer delivery marketing channel details, such as whether it is virtual, whether it is something more related to the physical media, that is something into the considerations. The high level of the solution is we first using the shopping behavior history, preferably 52 weeks, to create different segments such as life stage and lifestyle. We will then start with mass offers or rule-based offers to get at least 13 weeks of shopping history with the traced offer response details and transaction logs. Utilizing those we will create shopping pattern variables at customer segment level for high turnover categories or the product category which has the planned promotions. We will use the classification model, such as logistic regression and decision trees, to model the likelihood the offer gets response. We are going to validate the model accuracy and simulate if the outcome is satisfying. The retailer can use the outcome to improve the offer assignment. If the accuracy is not good enough, we are going to add more variables or more layers into the stock hierarchy and refine the custom segments to a more granular level. It is a very critical component of the implementation. That is, we design the test versus control for the comparison between the rule-based versus machine learning-based offer assignment. Retailer need to come up with very smart design of the group to make the receiver universe to be homogeneous for two types of offers and achieve overall positive experience. We don't want some of the customers forever stay in the mechanical offer world, so they will also want to get new personal experience sometimes in the long run. So during the implementation, our model team will work with the fields such as the store management, marketing operations to do the experiments on different segmentations, experiments on the combination of the segmentations, and experience different geo-region clusters for the offer assignment. The offer distribution experiments to collect the data so that they can refine the data sets by experiments different offer type, extent, delivery methods, and etc. This will help to make the model more useful in implementation. In terms of the system designs, the offer assignment model is based on massive amount of data and support the offer process, which can done in a batch. And the model data can be organized in weekly aggregate level. In this context, we potentially will use the following consideration, that is the cloud-based computing, batch prediction on weekly cadence, and offline learning with the quarterly incremental data. The risk of this one is we are going to try to mitigate the data drift and the concept drift risk by doing the monitoring on quarterly cadence for the model part. And we are also going to actually do the data quality check on weekly cadence to actually detect our data drift early. The correlation check between the feature and the target will help to detect the possible concept drift. For the business implementations, we'll pay more attention in detail, such as the offer fatigue, where the repetitive offers will have the effects decayed. We are going to utilize the optimization to create a meaningful customer experience when there's no manufacturing funds and limited marketing budgets. How to design a testing versus control group to continuously measure the performance of the offer and adjust accordingly will be a challenge we need to pay attention. Summary. We already consider personalized offer assignment a good opportunity to make the marketing budget more cost effective and evolve long-term relationship with our customers. We presented an overview of the modeling design and experiment design. We are looking forward to see this idea to be implemented in more retailers to have real-life effects.